Okay, everybody, today is a new day. Back at work for the first time in the new year. As you see, in office is P. Getting our obligatory coffee. So that's how we roll in the morning.
Hello, Mommy. Hey, everybody. It's Paul from the S&P Life. Hope everybody had a happy new year.
Cheers.
Cheers. Coffee, cup of joe.
So we made it through our first day back at the gym. We didn't do too much or anything too strenuous. We rode the bike and stretched and kind of just warmed ourselves back up to being there. So we love it. We're on our goal so far. 4 out of 7 days is our goal, and we will be stepping that up to probably 5 days a week here in a few months, but we just want to go back in slow so we'll stick with it and don't burn ourselves out too fast. And we have our ailments, so we have to take that into consideration. It'll be changes for our body. We're back macro counting, so we'll try to be eating healthy. So that's a good thing. What else? Oh, what is alkaline water comes out more than likely in the next couple of days, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe below and hit the bell so that you can get the feeds directly. We want that to be booming so that we can get more input, more ideals, more community. We're trying to build this, so we'll probably be trying to reach out to other bloggers or vloggers and try to get, a mix of people, different events and that sort of thing. So stay tuned. We love you. All right, so one of the things that we wanted to talk about was I just received this new Oon wireless selfie stick, and we're trying it out for the first time while we video this. I really like the idea that we can get more angles and a little further away pics, and it's really cool and compact. It folds down on itself, so I guess it's about 6 to 7 inches long. It's like, once again, I said wireless, so there's no wires. It was easy to just attach it to my Bluetooth, and it was up and running in a second. So there you have it. It comes with this handy dandy little charging cord, so you can charge it, so when it runs out you can get more juice. So what I wanted to ask you guys, what neat little gadgets and toys or things that'll help you with either your channels or with your exercise or filming your exercise, because sometimes you just want to film yourself doing different things and showing people how to do things, or showing people how you do things. And by communicating, we can get things right. I really believe in using all your resources. So videos here at YouTube are like really one of the best things on the planet because it's free education. So use all your resources, learn to appreciate what we have, which is monumental for the time. But I love gadgets. So I'm kind of trying to figure out and find out how I'm gonna orientate tech gear and gadgets into how we do things. I really want to show you a lot of the behind the scenes things that we use that aren't really that expensive. I think I spent $10 for This here at Walmart, so it wasn't really that expensive, but I think it's going to be indispensable too. So you tell me. I like the idea that I can pan and look and see different things and talk about different things. Oh, there goes my favorite photo moment. We're gonna have to find her a spot. Just same time every day. But yeah, so we love it, and I hope you do. We can get all kind of angles now, and I like it. So, what kind of gadgets did you get for Christmas? Let us know. Comments below. Subscribe. I'm out. Deuces. Love you guys. Lifers. Unite. What? I love it. That is so badass. You saw my selfie stick, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this bitch.
That thing is long, too.
No, look at it. That's it.
That's it? It was so hard.
Yes, that's
Were you holding it?
Beast mode.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my first selfie stick, really.
Okay.
Paula had one. I used it to take a couple pictures. It was the first time I used it video. So I was trying it out.
So, yeah, and how did it work?
I love it.
Okay. That's good.
Because you can get different angles, whereas my tripod sits right here and it gets me just like this.
Oh, right.
So I get more movement. Like if I look around at something, or if I'm filming something, I can, and it's steady. But this was what I liked about it.